Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make custom emoji in Discord. So in this case, open to your Discord first and log in here. Then choose one server, any server from here. Then you will find on top server name. Click on server name and you will find here server settings. Go server settings. Then you will find emoji here. Click on emoji. Then upload your emoji here, the blue button. Upload from computer. You can see here one emoji picture I have uploaded. Just click and you can see emoji is added. If you want to rename this emoji, you can just do it. Melting face. Now you're done. Now let's use it. Go back. If you want to use this emoji, go here, this emoji option, and you'll find your new emoji here, or you can see here your emoji. New emoji will be here. Just click and enter. Your new emoji will be sent. So guys, this is how you can use custom emoji in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.